Welcome back to Autoscope 2026's Newmar Dutch Star. Outside, Star base in Newmar Body Construction by providing a strong and stable basis. This unique Newmar feature lowers body roll and improves stability when driving. Because double-glazed windows offer better thermal and acoustic insulation, they are frequently used. With an easily accessible tailgate and even a convenient slide-out tray, there is plenty of storage space underneath. Additional features include an outdoor entertainment system with a TV and speaker, side and rear cameras, and exterior LED lighting. Interior, Newmar is well known for its fine finishing and craftsmanship. Kitchen, full-size domestic refrigerator, microwave convection oven, induction cooktop, and large sink. Countertops are often composed of solid surfaces or quartz. Comfortable bedrooms have king-size beds, large closets, and sometimes a built-in TV. Lighting, LED lighting is used throughout the facility to save energy and create a cozy atmosphere. Additional features. Some plans could come with electric fireplaces, laundry machines, or even bunk beds. An intuitive digital control system for managing all of an RV's features, such as the lighting, slide-outs, and climate system. Dual-zone climate system. The RV has several zone-controlled air conditioners to ensure comfort throughout. System of entertainment, several HD LED TVs, a top-notch sound system, and the possibility of internet and satellite connection. A power management system optimizes electrical power utilization whether shore power or a generator is being used. Diesel generator, a powerful diesel generator that can produce electricity on its own. Anti-lock braking ABS, traction control. And possibly advanced driver assistance systems aids like adaptive cruise control or lane keeping aid are examples of safety features. Renewable energy, larger solar panels, along with more advanced lithium battery packs are either standard or optional. Deeper integration of smart homes, a smartphone app provides more integrated control of RV functions.